Hello guys, welcome to my next video. Today I am going to do slime. This isn't my only slime. I have different slimes I'm going to show you, but this is my first slime right here. I'm going to put it right here. So let's open it. It's right here. Oh, stretchy. Oh, let's put these away. Oh guys, look, it's like I got this somewhere, and then I got to be able to customize and stuff. So at the mall, yeah. Well, look how stretchy. Ooh, yeah. Has some beads in it and some glitter, star golden glitters. Oh, oh my gosh. Ooh, look, let's see how stretchy it is. Oh, yeah. Ah, bead. Oh, yeah. Stretch. Stretch. So squishy. Whoosh squish. Oh no, a bead. Oh, that's fine. Okay, let's put it back in our container right here. Let's put the lid back on so it doesn't dry up. And yeah. Oh, our second slime is this. Open it. I'll see you guys when it's open. Okay guys, we opened it, or girls. I keep on saying just guys. Hey guys, like I keep on saying hey guys. But, and girls too. Green slime, it used to not be this color. I added something to it that came with it, and boom. Let's try to get as much slime as out. Try to get, try to get the slime out. Whoa! Hello guys, oh yeah, we're back. I didn't mean to say hello guys. But look at this, you hear it? You can scream. Stretch, stretch, stretch. You hear that? Straight. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, oh stretch. Oh, slime. Oh. Let's squish it. Okay. Oh my gosh. This, I like this slime. Like, it goes like, pops out like. Oh, I like it. Oh. Green. Okay, let's put it back inside. Go to our next slime. Let's go. Hey guys, get our next slime. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa, what happened? Oh, oh no, it's sticking to my hand. I think I have to play with it. See you guys and girls when it's ready. Ew, it's so hard. It's attaching to me. Let's try to get my finger out. Okay. Woo. Hello guys again and girls. I paused the video because it made a huge mess. I had to go into the shower to take a shower. My hair's so a little wet, probably because I'm sweating right now because I was just playing gorilla tag. It's a gorilla. Your gorilla. And the magma gorilla tries to attack you. The magma gorilla is faster, but I'm just gonna get my other slime because that purple slime is trash. It was not used to be like that. It used to be so fun to play with, but now it's just like goop. Like smells bad and stuff. So let me get my other slime. Sorry about that. Here it is. Here it is. I tried it out. Smells pretty good. Smells good. Whoa. Oh, it's all glittery. Oh gosh. Whoa. Whoa. It doesn't do, look, I try to do that satisfying thing that you do with your fingers, but look, it doesn't do it! Let's stick. Stretch! Wow, it smells good. It smells better than the last one. Roly roly. Oh, get off my hands. Woo! I think the last one was just the type of slime or it was just a bad slime that didn't make it right, and then it just bleh, did that. You saw it a bit, and then when I said I'm going to play with it, it didn't work out well, and yeah. So I like this slime. I like slime, unless it's not like the purple slime. I liked it. I like the purple slime. Can't use it anymore. Okay. Look, watch this. Whew. Get all off my hands. So how I get the slime off my hands, I think sometimes, is use other small pieces of slime to stick to the other slime and get off my hands. And make sure to like and subscribe on the hangout video. Sophia said make sure to like comment or something, but I have comments off because it says it's for kids. I should make it so it's not for kids, so you guys can comment. I don't know if I should do that. I don't know, but yeah. So I almost got all the slime off of me. This is my longest video ever. So that was my slime video. I hope you guys and girls enjoyed. That's it. And that's the longest video I've ever done. It's already at 9 minutes. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye! Wow.